Welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, I am sure you are fine at home. You are signing at home. So stay at home, stay safe, prepare for your exam because next month you are having your half yearly exam or first terminal exam. So in this regard, today I am going to teach you lesson number 10 for class 3 student in grammar way. So today's lesson is the last lesson for your half yearly exam, lesson number 10. So we will have this class because this is one of the most important lesson for this exam, lesson number 10. Let's see the lesson. The lesson is regular and irregular verbs. As we know, children, verb is the most important part of a sentence. Without using a verb or without using a correct verb in a sentence, you cannot write a correct sentence. So it is so much important. So let's see or let's start the lesson. First comes verb can be divided into two groups to express an action that happened in the past, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Verbs can be divided into two groups. One is regular verb and another is irregular verbs. Now let's see what is regular and what is irregular verb. Verb that takes D or ed to express an action is in the past are called regular verbs. Means when we add D or ed to a verb, that shows the work is over in the past time, not now. So it is said to be a regular verb. When the verb is in past form, it is said to be regular verb. Means the sentence will be in the past tense. That time, that sentence shows that the work which we are talking about in the sentence is not going on now. It is already over in the past. So there, how to know whether it is used in the present or past? By seeing the verb which is having D or ed to it, that verb is called a regular verb. You see, this is regular verb. Sentences to show you that verb are in regular form. I baked cookies yesterday. You can see verb baked. Baking is a verb. So baked, it is added ed to it. So means the work baking or I have baked the cookies, not today. It is yesterday. Yesterday also shows that the work is not going on now. It is over yesterday. So the verb bake is having ed to it. That means the sentence is in past form. Next comes, they traveled to Germany last month. Here also verb travel having ed, traveled. That shows. And one more thing, last month means not this month or today. It is they have gone there Germany last month. The last month shows that the work is over before. So that's why it is in past form or regular verb. And the travel is also the main verb of the sentence which is having ed to it. That's why they traveled to Germany last month is a past form of verb or regular verb. Next one, I walked to my friend's house yesterday. Here also verb ed, walked. So the sentence is a regular verb sentence. Here the baby cried loudly last night. Here also the verb cry is having ed, means past form. The baby is not crying now. She had cried last night, with the time is already gone. So that is why the sentence is in the regular verb having past form. Next, I brushed my teeth in the morning. Here, verb is brush and the verb is having ed to it. So the sentence is in past form. So I brushed my teeth in the morning is a regular verb having past form. Next, irregular verb. After regular verb we will know about irregular verb. Let's see. Verb that do not take d or ed to express an action is past are called irregular verb. Means when the verb we are talking about it is not having d or ed to it, it is said to be a irregular verb. The verb is in past form but it doesn't have ed to it. That's why the verb is called irregular verb. Let's see the sentence. You see, he bought a new car. Means he had already bought a new car. How you know it is in already? The work is done because the verb buy, it is written in the past form bought. Buy is present form, past form it is written bought, but you can see it doesn't have d or ed to it. That's why it is irregular verb. Bought is the past form of buy, but it doesn't have d or ed, but it shows that work is over from before. So he bought a new car, not now, from before he bought. That's why it is a irregular verb. Next one, I slept early last night. Here also sleep past form is slept, but it doesn't have d or ed. That's why it is past form. Last night she slept early, but not now or today. But the verb doesn't show that it is ending with d or ed. So all the verb that doesn't show d or ed, but they show the work is over from the at the past time, that shows that they are irregular verbs. Next one, Ravi sat on the ground. Sit past tense is sat, but here also the work is over, past form of verb sit, sat, but this past form doesn't have d or ed, so this sat is irregular verb in the sentence. We ate Chinese food last Monday. Eat past form is ate. Means not this Monday, last Monday we had Chinese food. The work was over from before. So it is in past form, but you can see verb is not having d or ed. But it is a past verb because the verb spelling at shows that the work is over now, it over from before. So it is a irregular, at is a irregular verb in the sentence. Now children, the exercise part of this lesson, bit number A, write the irregular form of the verb, this verb. Means verb are in present form which is going on now, but when you write the past form, that is called irregular form, but there we will see how to change the verb from regular to irregular form without using d or ed. Bring, brought, bring present form, past form brought. Sit, sat, grow, grew, run, ran, swim, swam, sell, sold. You can see all bought, sat, grew, ran, swam, sold are in irregular form of the verb, because all these verb, when it is in regular form bring, here we have not added ed or d to change it, but the form is totally changed. Bring totally changed into brought, sit to sat, grow to grew, run to ran, swim to swam, sell to sold. So these are totally changed verb, but without having d or ed, so they have changed into irregular form of verb. Now we will see bit number B. Choose the correct irregular form of the verb in the bracket and fill in the blanks. They took, bracket, take the bus to go to the fair on Sunday. We have to write the irregular form of the verb given in the bracket. Take irregular form is took. Means take is present form, took is past form, and past form is called irregular form of verb without having D or ED. Oops, I forgot. Forget is in the bracket. It was Kriti's birthday yesterday. Forget is present form. When we write the past form of that word, we use forgot. F-O-R-G-O-T. Forgot is irregular verb of forget. I wore bracket wear a new dress last week. Here wear irregular form is wore. W-O-R-E, wore. Means wear is in present form, wore is in past form, but it doesn't have D or ED. That's why it is irregular verb. Do you know who broke bracket break the vase? Break is present form, past form of break is broke. B-R-O-K-E, broke. The work is over from before, but without having D or ED. So broke, wore, forgot, took are all the irregular form of verb take, forget, wear and break. So this is about changing the verb from regular form to, you can say present form to irregular form, past form without adding D or ED. So they are called irregular form of verb. Bit number B is over. Bit number C, fill in the blanks with correct form of the verb in the bracket. Here also you can see correct form: ride, walk, sew, sweep. These are all in bracket. In present form, you have to write the correct form of the verb according to the sentence. The jockeys rode the horses really fast. Because you have to write the irregular form, so write irregular form of verb is rode, R-O-D-E. The jockeys rode the horses really fast. Here we walked bracket walked the dogs yesterday. You see walk irregular form is ed, walked. So we walked the dogs yesterday is the correct form of the verb walk. The clones sewed bracket sew as tricks. Sew irregular form is sewed, S-H-O-W-E-D, ending with ed. So this is not irregular verb. Walked and sewed are a regular verb. Rode is irregular verb because rode doesn't end with D or ed, but walked and sewed, these two verbs are showing ed to it, so they are regular verb. Walked and sew are regular verb. Rode is irregular verb. And the fourth one, the children swept the garden well, clean. Here sweep past form is swept, but this is also irregular verb because this swept doesn't have D or ed. In this four sentence, the four correct form of verb, two are having regular verb, walked and sewed are two regular verb because they have ed, and rode, R-O-D-E, rode and swept are two irregular verb because they are also in past form but they don't have D or ed to it. So all the verb in the bracket are used in correct form. So this lesson is over, children. Now, as I told you before, that this lesson is very important lesson for your exam. So without using the correct regular and irregular verb in the sentence, you cannot get a correct sentence. If the sentence is not correct, then you are not going to get mark to it. So it is very important you should see this video and you should read the book as well and practice the exercise as well, so that you can get a better idea about how to use regular and irregular form of verb. So thank you, children, for watching this video. Now very less time left for our first terminal or half yearly exam. So this is the last lesson, lesson number 10 for this exam. So please be serious about your studies, because after all you are getting time at home now, and use it to get good result, to make a better future through your studies only. So respect your feelings of your parents, obey your teachers and elders, and be at home and be safe at home, and only now practice and practice and practice for your half yearly exam. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. Have a nice day.